Pu.Songthu Chilhah ho guinu thu pokai kum sang ni le som sewol ni sim ni hu hing ke ho pu thi to upa le pu to hin naw pa Chilhah hon ka kun do na guinu thu hi ti hin hi chi jang lum song chunga ka ta lang ta we som dan ngai do la naw pan upa setting api gmail chi na kin pi jang lo pi ta en kanit ta wi na hi upat dung zuin Pu.Songthu Chilhah upapen pu guite lam jang pan pu thi to kai ha upapen pu dongel aisan pa akonin setting akisani pu dongel aisan pan pu to hin kai ha upapen pu kip gen le kot pa akonin setting akisani pu kip gen le kot pan apin kopi pu hau kip cha sat pa akonin setting akisanin pu chong loi jang noi pa panga akonin jong pu kip gen le kot pan setting akisan tai pu hang sing wong jang pa panga le pu sit lo jam pi pa tha do pan jong ngai na dola pu kip gen le ko na setting asial hon ding hi hiti hin pathin pathe ebu tawin genealogical inscription of Pu.Songthu the great patriot. We the descendants in the royal lineage of Pu.Songthu on this day 2nd August in the year of the Lord 2010 hereby inscribe on this stone the genealogy of our ancestry to mark the auspicious occasion setting P, a traditional obligation of the younger brother to perform the ritual of offering a portion of flesh on the spine of an animal to the elder brother has been solemnly observed. In order of seniority, Pu Guite of Lamjang, the eldest in the lineage of Pu.Songthu, received setting from Pu Dongel of Aisan, the eldest in the lineage of Pu Chito. Pu Dongel of Aisan received setting from Pu Kip Gen of Laikot, the eldest in the lineage of Pu Tohin. Pu Kip Gen of Laikot received setting from his twin brother Pu Hau Kip of Zasat and from their uncle Panga Pu Chong Loi of Zang Noi. Pu Kip Gen of Laikot received setting from uncle Panga Pu Hang Sing of Wongzang and Pu Sit Lo of Zampi Thado, his younger brother. So, bless us God, dated Hansip, the 7th September 2011. Dongel Bulpi Aisanpa.